Kat banang jan ke election MDC siteng samai jong Khasils Autonomous District Council. Kinong kat kam jong ke wei neki seng partai hakni ke jella ke Bharatiya Janata Party jong ke Mairang Nongkhlaw. Hak arterik mentau nai weng kilapan khasai ke BJP Nongkhlaw zone. Hak jelang ke berpelong hak yengsa kan mau yo CM tirat sing CM hak snong Nongkhlaw. Ki balai dan lang hakni ke singi kan thop yo General Secretary uba David Kharsati u Vice President u Gagan Jain u State Youth President uba Agent Star Kurkalang u Youth President ke BJP Noston uba Artful Kharbani rengkat kinangilam ke BJP West Khasils District bat BJP Mairang Nongkhlaw Mandal. Hakani jelang la jiat uba aran tiang kum President ke BJP Nongkhlaw zone ke ban kan thop ya ki shpotli ki snong kata nadu ke snong jakhong mau phanyo Nongkhlaw mau yong mau kara bat kiwe ki snong bamarjan. Ya ke kam Vice President Aban Syed hauba Sundar Singh Maule ke kam Secretary hauba Plus Mairang Assistant Secretary hauba Boylan Walang bat uba Pi Walang ke kam Treasurer hauba Wilbert rentatiang lambat kat sangut ki Executive Member u General Secretary ke BJP uba David Kharsati ula pensyai hakipai ba ke jingwan rong jong ba Councillor Walang hak parti ke dei ke kabuk siar bala jiat yu banyak kon ya ke election MDC siteng samai kaban long hak khatlai trek ubnai no pra banwan baru penpau ru ke jingkerman bau niu kurtong ke BJP unyo ya ke jingjom nalor kani ula ong ru bau so baningkong jong ke BJP hak ke election kan dei na ke Mairang Constituency
lawan ni ba men ba hak ni kiria wan kan bas election na ta kandidat jong ke UDP ang mai khele ka si yek ba kretso inaman bi ban berbate la ta dei bru bram dan karai karan trawa Uncuang pada selong, ia lecu. Namar ba, lagi ke Malaysiaan, ukrab suatu edai. Kasih schedule kakran syai. Ngai lalong abisi, ngai Constitution rumah persang hakan suatu. Kamtam ia kasih schedule kakran syai. Ba kapus MDC, kam dei kapus, kaba kiong armalai. Ketika hok jongi u khasipna u rulung baka hakani kestik jongi tinamar kita kadau iha banela election hapun kam u councilor rekat bertentu kene kibreu kita ini jongi iha pun kam namar barisain no kita kibreu ibala sajid banlong kit khot jong ke district council
kabat si hak je kran halor ke jingpan khre ke sang BJP na ke benta ke election sistem samoi sha ke HDC na kaliang Vice President ke sang Gagan Jain bedairu in charge administration ha pok party ulapan pau yak jing ngos kham panyo jing job na baro ki nyotli ki MDC constituency kanthop harilum jantia ulapan paru ba kapor gladai ba kamenglia gladai banyo no da ke sang san partai kum ke BJP khnam banon ra yak roi ka par bat kumjo ke jing kala ka sansar khadar nalor kane ula ongru ba ka jingelang ban pangko buram yu tirat sing CM Nongkhlaw hak balawan Mynsiem mentaru da menteri ketnat dona Ujitendra Singh kalawan ra ya ka jingkala hak rukom perkhat ki pai ba ka than ba snoti kana ba ka BJP kan job hakane ke election MDC siteng samai nakane ke constituency ugagan jen ula ongru hak jela meglea hak election MLA arajar khatpra ka jingkala he kan dei na upai ba kumba kalong ha Assam hak ba ka party kalayo ban bat yu lakam sinsar baru kemilanti bahakani ka jelaru kani kan urlong hakajo karukom.
We are very confident of winning most of the seats in the district council for which by-elections are scheduled in view of the fact that there is a groundswell of support for change. Okay, people have tried the regional parties, they have tried the national party. Now they want a new national party in the form of BJP, and that is evident by the public meetings that we are just about starting right now. There is a good number of people joining the party, even from small towns like Nongkhlaw. Mairang, we've already had a very big meeting a few months back where almost 1,000 people joined, and earlier this year when Dr. Jitendra Singh had visited Nongkhlaw town during the celebration for Uttirat Singh CM. That time also we saw there was a big turnout. So in view of these facts, we are very, very confident that we will definitely return a lot of MDCs for which polls are scheduled.